মেয়েটা সুন্দর কিন্তু একটু কালো. How many of us heard a sentence like this? But I have a question. Why this word but have to come after the word beautiful? Hello everyone, my name is Janatul Firdaus Zidni. Today I want to talk about beyond fairness redefining beauty in Bangladesh. It is something about that influencing our idea of beauty for generations, our obsession with fair skin. In Bangladesh, colorism can start surprisingly early. A child may hear রোদে যেও না কালো হয়ে যাবে. The teenage may be told that একটু হলুদ লাগাও তাহলে তোমার রংটা আরেকটু ব্রাইট হবে. And when marriage comes into the conversation, we hear words like slim, fair, and also a beautiful bride. Think about that. Someone before knowing her personality, her dream, her identity, sometimes her skin color has become a part of her evolution. And this doesn't affect only women. A dark skinned boy may be called Kala as a joke. Everyone loves, maybe he also loves, but ever we thought that he actually finds it very funny. That's the problem with colorism. Sometimes it doesn't sound like discrimination, sometimes it sound like a joke. We normally compare people. তোমার ছোট বোন তোমার থেকে অনেক ফর্সা, ছোটবেলায় তো অনেক ফর্সা ছিলে, এবং আমরা আরো বলি এই কালারটা পরবে না, এই কালারটা তোমাকে মানাচ্ছে না. বাট ইমাজিন হিয়ারিং দেম অ্যাগেইন অ্যান্ড অ্যাগেইন while growing up. The way I look is not good enough. Then social media adds another layer. We take a picture and sometimes before posting it, we edit this picture until the person in the picture looks slightly different from the person who holding this phone. Why? Who taught us that our natural skin needed correcting? Skin color is largely influenced by melanin and genetics. Having more melanin does not make someone less attractive or less capable. I am not saying fair skin is not beautiful. Of course it is. But I am saying something simple. Fair skin is beautiful, brown skin is beautiful, and dark skin is also beautiful. Beauty should not be a competition to see who become the lightest version of themselves. So maybe the change can start with us. The next time a child comes back from playing outside, and instead saying কালো হয়ে গিয়েছো, asking that খেলা মজা হয়েছে তো. At a wedding, instead of discussing how fair or dark the bride is, please talk about how happy she looks. Let them look like themselves, because perhaps the next generation of Bangladeshi children deserves to grow looking in the mirror without wishing they were born in different shades. Beauty was never supposed to come with a color chart. So let us move beyond fairness. Let us stop asking koto forsha and asking who is the person. Because our skin has a color, our earth doesn't. Thank you.